Hello everybody, this is Jeff at etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a look at this MORryde cushion fifth wheel pin box for the Lippert 1716 pin boxes. Now this is built for trailers that have a gross vehicle weight rating of 11,500 to 14,000 pounds. And this cushion pin box will replace your current one for a lot smoother towing experience. This is designed to replace the Lippert 1716 pin box. Now with this pin box you'll enjoy a nice chuck-free, jerk-free ride thanks to the rubber shear spring that's on the inside. That rubber shear spring will reduce back and forth chucking. It absorbs any jarring movement at the connection point, and it'll dampen up to 1.5 inches of side-to-side movement and up to 3 inches of front-to-back movement. Now I wanted to zoom in just to show you where it's located. You can't really see the rubber shear spring. It's actually up on the inside here, right above the kingpin. But basically that rubber shear spring will dampen the transmission of forces from the fifth wheel to your vehicle, makes your starts and stops jerk-free, and it'll require less maintenance than those air-filled spring model pin boxes. This will give you the same kingpin location as the original manufacturer, reduces stress on your trailer frame, and it is a fast, easy bolt-on installation. Basically, when you do remove your old factory pin box and then you go to put this one on, you do want to make note of the bolt hole locations of the factory pin box because you'll want to mount this pin box in the same hole settings using the existing factory hardware. This pin box does exceed the CSA standards. It is made in the USA. Application again, it's for fifth wheel trailers with 11,500 to 14,000 pound gross vehicle weight rating. Weight capacity on this pin box is 18,000 pounds. You do want to remember though the pin box capacity will not change the overall gross vehicle weight rating of your trailer. Last thing I want to do is just give you some measurements on this. First measurement we're going to do is going to be the overall width from outside to outside. So if I put the tape measure, 12.5 inches. And then I'm going to give you two measurements from the first one's from the center of the kingpin to the center of the front row of holes, and then from the center of the kingpin to the center of the back row of holes. So I did make a note on here where the center of the kingpin is right up here to make it easier. So if I go the measurement to the first row, that's going to be right at 20 3/8 inches. And then the measurement from the front row to the back row of holes is going to be right at 29 1/8 inches. But that should do it for the review on the MORryde cushion fifth wheel pin box for the Lippert 1716 pin boxes.